Hello and welcome. I want to show you another selection of 5 keyboard shortcuts in case you are using Eclipse for Java developers. This mix of shortcut focuses on opening files and working with source code. So let's have a look. The Open Resource or Type feature is likely the most used shortcut when you navigate your source code. You either press Shift plus Command and R or T and start typing a part of a file you want to open. So let's do it, and I want to open the address class, and there we go. You can use the wildcard star character as a placeholder so you do not have to type in the complete name. So let's try it with benefits, and we've opened the enum. If you want to manually format the source code, press Shift plus Command and F. I think it's a good habit to format the code before you save the file and adjust the format if needed, but in this case everything looks fine. If you are manually writing import statements, it's likely that you are doing something wrong and should have a look at the auto-completion feature instead. But in the rare case that you do work on the import statements, pressing Shift plus Command and O brings them into order. You can automate both the steps, the formatting and organizing imports part, in the project properties under Java Editor, and there is a section called Save Actions. If you do not overuse this feature, static imports can make your code more readable. Let's say you have a static helper method like the isNull from the Java UtilObjects class. I think a static import makes the if statement more readable here, so let's press Shift plus Command and M. This adds the static import for this specific method. You can do the same thing for enum values like the employee benefits here, but as I said earlier, try not to overuse static imports and make sure that it remains obvious what your code is doing. Commenting out code that you currently do not need is very easy. Instead of just marking everything and deleting it, simply press Shift plus Command and C, like so. If you press this combination again, you uncomment the selected lines of code, like so. If you have a few lines of code that you want to delete, just press Command and D to delete the current line. By holding it or pressing it multiple times, you can get rid of unwanted code lines pretty quickly. Thank you for watching this video. In case you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if you did not like it, a thumbs down. Either way, please let me know in the comments what you think. If you do not want to miss any future videos, simply subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to get notifications when a new video is published.